Jen Allen, everybody. This is an old piece. Jen Allen Ceramics, 2011. Jen is known for her pictures. She can admit that. Here's one of her old pictures. This one we used in Brett Kern's workshop, the Dinosaur Man. Brett Kern poured his slip into his mold, and this thing just stopped right on a dime. It was amazing. And you could put heavy slip in this and still pick it up. Her handles, her pouring area is nobody else can touch those two things combined. Sorry, it's true. You all know that. Here is her new stuff. Picture again. Form, function, everything is absolutely incredible. If you don't own one of her mugs, I have an old one. It's Julia's favorite one at home. And then I have a new one. It's only one that has survived out of many attempts for my cat to knock them all off of my counter. But her new stuff, just the texture that is on her pieces is incredible. And she feeds from fabric, which if you go to her website, you will find out that she makes masks, if you didn't know that already. And she has collaborated with Meredith and Jason Burnett. And they both screen printed on the fabric, and then she's made the masks, and they're incredible. I have one finally coming to me, maybe. But she sells out of them very quickly, so you should get on the list if you haven't. The other thing, she makes earrings. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. They're light. They make fun noises when I talk. They're incredible. So anyway, ceramics, cone stick stoneware, handles, pouring mechanisms, mugs, functionality, anything that you can get. Online workshop with her. Check out Objective Clay. Earrings, PPE. She's got it all. Love you, Jen.